Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle, 100 pt. Okay. Then, none this fill color. Pick up the stroke color. Increase this stroke value. Now, you take line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Now, you take rotate tool, rotate angle 45 degree. Okay. Now, reflect vertically 90 degree. Now, select all and take shape builder tool and cut unnecessary part. Select all and go to object and expand. Now select and go to Pathfinder, click divided. Now unrepeat. Select this portion and track direction tool. Select those anchor point and decrease this size. Now select unnecessary part and press delete. Select all and take shape builder tool and join this part perfectly. Now we change the color for more attractive. Look, here is our brand name. Increase this font size. Now align. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.